This is a pec minor or chest releasing exercise using a doorway. So if the shoulders look a little like this, often it's associated with a tightness in the front of the shoulder. So take your hands into the doorway and you want to try to have them about shoulder height, but you may find at first you have to have them a little lower because it may be too painful to have them at the same height as the shoulders. Then lean a little forward so that you create a little traction across the chest, and move the tailbone forward slightly. So you don't want to have the lower back being scrunched up. Try to have a little length through the lower back. You're gripping a little bit with the fingers in the doorway, and then release and lean into that stretch slightly. Couple more times. Grip with the fingers slightly, tailbone forward, release, lean into the stretch. One more time, grip with the fingers, tailbone forward, release and lean into that stretch across the upper part of the chest. Simple way to release tightness in the front of the shoulder. Namaste.